Hi guys, this is a simple type of mold. What do you think? Let's see together how to design PET bottle blow mold. Insert part of the bottle. Then add in 0.4%. This is a shrinkage value for PET plastics. Create an extruded boss in the front plane. Choose center rectangle. Set width at 125 millimeters. Neck height at 11 millimeters. Total height 334 millimeters. Then set the thickness at 170 millimeters. And uncheck the merge result. OK. Select combine and subtract operation. Click main body and bodies to combine. Choose bodies to keep. OK. Extruded cut in the neck. $80 millimeters of diameter and 11 millimeters of depth. Create a core insert for the bottom of the bottle. Set at 97 millimeters diameter and 45.4 millimeters depth. OK. Shorten the bottom at 9 millimeters with the move face command. Next, make a cooling hole in the bottom with a diameter of 36 millimeters and a depth of 8.5 millimeters. Then make an O-ring place in the outside of the cooling hole. Make 4 holes with a diameter of 5 millimeters. And make another hole to penetrate the product. Use the cut sweep command with a profile diameter of 2.5 mm and 1 mm. Then copy it with the circular pattern command. Set the number 10 times. OK. So that the wind can spread through all the holes, make a thin gap with the revolved cut command. Next, make the preformed clamp part in the neck. Use the revolved boss command. Then create a sketch profile. Uncheck the merge result and click OK. Make 4 holes for the head of the socket head size M6. Then make a socket head bolt hole in the bottle body. Use the add relation of the 4 points along Y. You can display shaded cosmetic threads in Tools, Options, Document Properties, Detailing. Separate the body and neck into 2 parts. Use the split command on the front plane. Then click the cut bodies. Select cross neck with bodies. Uncheck consume cut bodies. OK. Next, make 4 pinholes in the mold body. Draw a rectangle profile as a help point. Set width at 105 millimeters. The height of the neck is 43 millimeters. And 190 millimeters down. Use the hole wizard command. Set the pinhole diameter at 13 millimeters and 15 millimeters deep. OK. Make 4 pin locking holes in the back of the body for the M4 socket head size dimensions. Use the add relation command for the 4 points along Z. Copy 4 pinholes for the other body with the mirror command. Select fitters to mirror, then check geometry pattern. OK. Next, create a wind flow in one of the body parting lines. The first is 4.5 millimeters wide and 0.3 millimeters deep. And secondly, 4 millimeters wide and 0.1 millimeters deep. Finally, make a gap in the body at the bottom with the revolved cut command. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this channel. See you in the next video tutorial.